Give me 10 minutes and you'll look better than you did yesterday with no makeup at all. I'll show you how to get a face that looks rested, lifted, and naturally glowing, even if you didn't sleep well or skipped makeup. Because this isn't about covering up. It's about building skin confidence, the kind that makes you feel good showing up, with or without makeup. Let's accept it that we don't look the same every day. The first glance in the mirror in the morning, sometimes you look puffy, sometimes you look tired, occasionally vibrant, but that's not how you want to show up. I'm going to share my exact routine that helps me reset everything that I don't want to see in the mirror and instantly look better, feel motivated, and show up confident instead of hiding. And watch out for that tip number 7. It's my favorite, that gives you an eye lift without any makeup. I'm going to do this step by step, so feel free to join me now or save this video and follow along tomorrow morning. Step number 1, fixing your hair is the easiest way to upgrade your look. After a long time, I'm growing out my hair, and now my hair is growing faster and longer because I've been treating it well. I've shared that in another video. I'll share it up here with you. So the change is kind of new to me, and longer hair is hard for me to handle. Yet a quick blow dry can easily change your look in minutes. This kind of a blow drying hairbrush helps to do it with one hand and faster. Step number 2, honey tapping. This is a natural collagen booster. Did you know that? Honey tapping is not rubbing honey on your face or just using it as a cleanser. I use it to tap on my face. Just with a little bit of water, start tapping it on your face, and you'll slowly notice that the water content evaporates, and then it starts to give you a little bit of that micro needling effect on your face. You will feel a little stinging sensation. Tap up till that point and notice how it lifts your skin. When it reaches that stage, it stimulates circulation in your skin. It gives you that beautiful flush look once you rinse it off. And it naturally boosts collagen. That's not it. Honey is a humectant. That means it draws moisture into your skin and it holds on to it. So your skin ends up looking plump, hydrated, and glowing. If that's news to you, check out my 3-in-1 skincare masterclass. I've explained honey face tapping in detail along with gua sha and kansa wand. A magical combo of these 3 can really transform your skin. All my programs and courses are linked in the description below. And here comes step number 3. For the next step, let's start plumping up our skin with a serum. And not just any serum, I use Laduora's 8-Pepta Complex Serum. It hydrates, brightens, firms, and preps your skin for what comes next. Think of it as a foundation for your glow. This massages your face and this massages your face too. I know gua sha does help, but if you're aiming for real sculpting and lifting, you need to know what's happening beneath the skin. You can't just focus on the surface layer. Let's talk about layers. Gua sha mainly works on fascia, that's the top layer of muscle. But this device, Lumeo by Laduora, 4-in-1 LED light therapy skincare device. This goes deeper. It uses precision-tuned microcurrent and sonic massage to stimulate the underlying facial muscles, the ones that truly affect that lift and tone at a deeper level. Now, at the same time, the red light therapy is working to fight the lines and boost cell regeneration. It's not just relaxing, it is rebuilding. It's unlike gua sha or those manual devices which often require facial oils. It works with most lightweight serums. Personally, when you're getting ready in the morning, you don't want that greasy finish. Not me today, not before filming. Now let's talk about the technique. Gua sha, as much as I love it, it demands precision. You need to anchor your skin and use the right angles and move slowly. Because if you drag it too fast or rapidly or don't stabilize it properly, you might be stretching delicate areas, especially under your eyes, instead of lifting them. A mistake I come across social media very often. Also, let's be honest, on rushed mornings or travel days, I don't have 20 to 30 minutes to put myself together. That's where Lumeo fits into my life. You can use it with one hand, no anchoring needed, no guesswork. It does all the multitasking for you. Microcurrent, red light, near infrared, massage. All 4 layered in a 3-minute session. It's very simple to use it. After cleansing, I apply a thin layer of Laduora 8-Pepta Complex Serum. You can use any serum or lightweight moisturizer. Because I like this because it boosts elasticity, it hydrates deeply and does not leave your skin feeling greasy. Then press and hold on this power button to turn it on. Once it lights up, it starts to vibrate. Tap on the same button to toggle through different modes, level 1 through level 6. Level 1 and 2 gently start the microcurrent and red light therapy. It's great for lifting and firming. But level 3 is the game changer. It activates electroporation, helping your products to absorb even deeper. Level 4 to 6 go deeper into skin renewal. I personally use level 5 and 6 across my face, but for delicate areas like my eye, I prefer level 3. It's not at all painful or uncomfortable like some of the other devices I have tried recently. You feel that slight twitch, like your facial muscles are waking up from a nap. When you're watching me use this, notice the visible twitching around my lip corners, perfect to lift up those droopy lip corners. It's also working on the sagging jowls, lifting and tightening this whole area. As I moved up, I was feeling it in my cheeks. I was feeling it all across my lips to high cheekbone area around my eyes. All of that twitching that you're seeing around my mouth or eye areas, I'm not doing it. It is the device that's activating my muscles. So I don't just use it in the morning, I use it at nights too. Some mornings I use it right after my serum, before filming or important meetings. Other times I use it at night when my face feels puffy or tired or stressed. Morning or evening. Whenever you use it, make sure to start from your neck going up. I always recommend whenever exercising your facial muscles, start from your neck area and then move up to your double chin, your jawline, your cheekbones, nasolabial fold, under eye area, forehead, so on and so forth. When you look in the mirror, focus on the areas that need lifting and sculpting. I target the corners of my lips and jawline where sagging starts when we lose collagen and muscle tone. This device helps me lift sagging skin, firm up that double chin and tone features that tend to droop with age. Around the eyes, it can reduce puffiness, tighten under eyes, soften crow's feet, and lift crepey lids. Just look at the difference from tired and puffy to sculpted, radiant, and more even skin tone. It's all thanks to improved elasticity, circulation, and collagen support. You'll feel ready to face the day confidently, even without makeup. Currently, I have the sinus congestion. I'll spare you all the sniffling, but I have a serious sinus congestion right now. So I pause for a few seconds next to my nose area and slowly move out. It helps me drain everything out. And very quickly, I'd start to feel light in this whole area. So you see, no puffiness today. On days when you frown too much, this will help you melt that tension away from your forehead. Better than anything else that I have tried. You will feel a visible difference, a very relaxing feeling when you go over your forehead. It is lightweight, it is travel friendly, the battery is long lasting. Honestly, I've been using it only for a couple of weeks now, but I'm documenting my journey using this for the next 30 to 60 days. So stay tuned to my channel. I will share what my experience is with this Lumeo little device in the long run. What I already love is that I charged it once and this is almost my 14th day. I haven't charged it yet. It's lighter than my gua sha. Compact enough to travel with, no mess, no fuss, just results. This video is sponsored by Lumeo. So why just me? Even you can explore the benefits of this little device. You have this promo code on the screen right now. Go ahead, look it up, enjoy shopping, and the link is in the description. But frankly, I don't feel it's about the code. It's about finally finding something that gives you visible results without irritation, without redness, without downtime, without the expensive facials or wasting time. If your skincare routine feels like it no longer delivers results or expected results, and if you've been wondering what's missing, then this might be the shift your skin's waiting for. For the next step, I have my moisturizer and SPF locked into one product, and it is Murade's Super Active Moisturizer with SPF 50. It protects and hydrates all in one step, no extra layers needed, no white cast, and gives you the perfect glow that you're looking for. I haven't yet addressed women or people who have large pores. Here comes the Skin Perfecting Primer from Laura Geller. This primer fills in and smooths out pores and keeps your skin looking fresh all day. So you don't have to apply primer only before your makeup. Even if you just want that smooth, poreless, finished look, go for it. It keeps your skin looking fresh all day. Perfect if you're going makeup free or even under your makeup. Now here is the step number 7 that I was talking to you. Brow, lash, and eye lift. all in one with this aloe vera gel hack. Did you know that this one natural gel can give you what no makeup or Botox can? Instant eye lift. Apply aloe vera gel on the outer corners of your eyes and then gently massage your crow's feet and the droopy eye corners up with your fingers. The gel hydrates and plumps out those fine lines and wrinkles, and the massage helps you lift your eye corners to give you that natural cat eye lift. This is exactly where that tired, sad eye look tends to show up. And lifting it makes such a difference to your entire expression and your face. If you don't have the Lumeo device yet, don't skip this step and this massage. It's a great way to activate that eye area with just your fingertips. Okay, so then I brush my eyebrows and my lashes with a spoolie that is dipped in the same aloe vera gel. Brush it into your eyebrows and let it dry slightly. And it sets everything in place while conditioning your hair. Aloe doesn't just hold, it thickens each strand. So your brows look fuller and lifted. Unlike brow wax, it does not flatten your hair down. When you apply it on your lashes, it gives your lashes a natural curl and makes your whole face look more lifted. Let's dive into step number 8, lip plumping without any invasive procedures or even without those stinging lip plumping glosses. City Beauty's lip oil hydrates, smooths, and plumps your lips out without the stickiness. And it lasts. There is no need to reapply once you apply it in the morning like your regular lip balms. Don't expect your lips to look super pouty, but what you should expect is that it will plump out those fine lines and wrinkles so your lips appear smoother. So if your dehydrated lips appear shrunk, just this alone can make them appear fuller. Especially helpful for women over 40 if you're noticing your lips are thinning out or looking shriveled up with time. It feels super soft. I've had it since morning under my lipstick, but it stays on. For step number 9, don't cover your glow, control it. After all that skincare, you don't want to lose your glow, but you also don't want to look greasy. Instead of reaching out for face powder, which can dull or cake up your skin, I use oil blotting sheet. Just press, don't drag it across your face. It absorbs excess oil without disturbing your skincare or glow. Just press it in areas where you typically look oily. It absorbs excess oil without disturbing your skincare or your glow. No powder, no product buildup, just that naturally fresh, dewy look, controlled. This step is especially useful if you're heading into a humid day or under studio lights like I am today, or even gym where shine can build up fast. Remember, our goal is to glow, not shine. I mean, you can glow so that you can shine. For step number 10, ice roller reset. When your face still feels a little bloated or heavy, an ice roller can fix it. It tightens, it depuffs, and it also shrinks your pores, and it gives your face that just finished facial look. I especially love it after my Lumeo treatment. Kind of cools and seals everything in, and your skin really feels tight, and that's the final look. So now you're all set to glow, and you can see the difference between what I look like before doing all of this and after these 10 steps without any makeup. Comment if you see a visible difference, a more confident and a radiant me. And I can guarantee you, if you follow it, you're going to look like the better version of yourself with these quick steps. You thought we are done? Here comes a bonus tip number 11. Your mirror moment and affirmations. I end every routine with a quick pause in the mirror. Not to judge, but to notice. Do I look lifted? Energized? Proud of the 10 minutes I just gave myself? Then I notice and say something kind to myself. You're glowing. You're showing up for yourself. You've earned this. You don't need to be guilty because you made time for yourself. You're beautiful, Parmita, because no matter what products or tools we use, our skin confidence starts here and here. The way we speak about ourselves. If with time you've started to blame makeup for your skin, then don't. Blame the prep. If you've stopped wearing makeup because you don't have time, or because it doesn't look the way it used to, let me show you how to fix that. Join my makeup masterclass, 10 minutes glow up for busy beauties. It's a makeup masterclass that's made for women just like you who want results, not rules, and fast. If you want to show up with grace, glow, and presence, I can help. Check out my face yoga and self-image programs at 𝘨𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Become a supporting member of this wonderful channel called Blush with Me Parmita to unlock deeper learning and support this mission. Follow me on my Instagram and other social media handles for a quick daily motivation. Like and comment what was your favorite part of this video and share this video with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe because I share real tools, no fluff. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.